So the tram is basically there in the middle of the street, so it's going to stop in the middle of the street and you have to cross to get in. Alright, I've gotten off the tram one stop too early, but that's okay, it doesn't matter, we just walk, it's nearby. Anyway, so my first stop of the day. So the first thing I'm doing today is visiting the Cathedral of Saint Bartholomew of Frankfurt. So I have a description in French. Cathédrale catholique de style gothique avec fresques Renaissance et clocher offrant une vue sur la ville. So I think it opens at 9:30 and the museum and tower can be visited from 10 a.m. Right, so this square, oh, there are people getting married. So this square I've already seen. I think that's this cathedral I'm going to visit right now. Looks like it. Nice houses again. The Tower of San Bartholomew started in 1413, late Gothic tower design drafted by cathedral architect Madame Gerfner until restoration work. So it has a bit of history. Danke. So apparently the entrance to the tower is just the entrance to the tower, like not the church, like you don't go through the church and then in the tower. This is tall and not good for my vertigo. Time to take out the big gun. Okay, it's now time to go down. Oh dear God. Dear God, dear God, dear God. Why? So that was up there, and then here in the main tower, I guess. Yeah, that was really something the way down if you have vertigo, but that's okay. It's really tight if you meet people going up. Oh. Okay, so the entrance is not there, it's on the other side. It's already 11 and I haven't started my visit, so I will go first because there are some other things that I want to visit today. And I want to have the time for those other things more than this. Right now, my plan is to visit the Historical Museum of Frankfurt, which is, I have the description in French again, collection d'art et d'objets sur l'histoire de Francfort de l'époque médiévale à nos jours. There you go, so it's nearby. And I have planned to do this from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. It's already 11:15. This nice, beautiful old building, I think. Modern building. Historisches Museum. I couldn't find 1991, so I've got 1992. I'm here, so first I will probably do this, then 5, and then that. Maybe not in this order. I think I should take the stairs, maybe. Okay. Where I walked on Sunday, I think. I think it's an original. I had planned to visit this museum until 1 p.m. initially, but actually I can move things back because I wanted to visit the city center at the end of the day, but I've already visited it a few times, just walking here and there, so I don't need to do that. So I can move the next museum a bit further during the day. I want to try. Oh, that's why it was flooded. Okay, I'm going back up. I have nothing to do there. That's the river in between. I think my hotel is somewhere there. We have a thermometer. Alright, so first part, main entrance in there, Historical Museum, and then under, and second part there. And now it's 2 p.m. and I really need to eat, because I am hungry. So there are actually two kinds of sausages from Frankfurt. There is the Frankfurt sausage, so Frankfurter version, and Frankfurter Stadtwurst sausage. So that's the Frankfurter city sausage. So that's the Frankfurt city sausage. That's finally a bread that can be used with sausages, like this. I have forgotten to take this off. Nice meal there. And now I think I'm going there basically. So now what I want to do is the Photography Forum Frankfurt. The Photography Forum Frankfurt is a unique center that exhibits photography of the highest quality and promotes the importance of the medium as a universal visual language. A very nice shop, this one. I spent like 20 minutes in there. Very nice. FFF. Well, that's done. It took me like 30 minutes to do. It's more like a gallery, I would say. That it's not really a museum, but it was nice, but yeah, very small. So that one, by the way, is Paul's Kirche, so Paul's Church. I got four pots of honey there because it was sort of okay, the price, and really good. There's more upstairs. Alright, so now I'm just going to go back to the hotel. I'm going to take the tram back. I have found some rhubarb cider, so I need to try this. Yes.
Alright, listen up.
Rhubarb is both a vegetable and a fruit.